What's up, guys? It is Grayson, and today I'm doing a special video. Crap, I forgot something. Okay. Crap, it still has. Okay, so doing a special video. Well, it's not too special. And I'm gonna be doing Vlogmas on this channel. I'm sorry, I'm late. You're probably like, Grayson, you're supposed to do at the start of December, but I found my vlog camera. Okay. And I ordered a SD card for it. I'll show you. Hi, Elfie. See, but it has to have an SD card. Insert memory card. So, and we ordered one, and it was supposed to come a couple days ago, and it didn't. So I'm sorry. It's supposed to be coming tomorrow. So yeah, so let's just get on with the video. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe to Save a Unicorn. And if you like what you're seeing right here, and subscribe for more, and like, and comment. I don't know what to really say. Yeah, hi Graysters! Okay. Okay, so we're gonna do 1 day slime versus a month. So here's the 1 day. So like, can you hear that? I don't know if you guys can. So like, okay. I don't know if you can see my elf on the shelf, but it's over there. So yeah. You got this, but I got it and I was like, crap. Oh. And here's the month. It's pretty good, but not good. And I tried to fix it with lotion and it didn't work, so I'm gonna put it in hot water. I'm doing 6 ounces. Wait, I almost spilled. So and this is like really hot water. Super sticky, not like super, but it's pretty sticky. Add some lotion to it. Again. Okay, I'm gonna put it in the water. Hot. It's hot. So surprisingly works. Can I do this method all the time? Wow. Yeah. Yes, this is a keep method. Actually, can stretch. Okay, this is first time in the water. This is about a couple times. This is good. I love this slime. I'm gonna add a little lotion to it. Sorry about the back.